Coach Abdeslam Moadu has had a very positive impact go Orlando Pirates. I don't really agree with some of the tactical decisions that he makes. Sometimes I don't agree in the starting lineup, Sake, but we have to give credit where it's due. After a very long time, Oadu takes over this Orlando Pirates team, and look at him now. He's one game away from being a Betway Premiership champion in his first season. Coach Abdeslam Oadu has won the MTN 8. He's won the Carling Knockout. Of course, Uluzile Nedbank Cup, but look at him now. He's about to win E-League, so he's achieved a treble in his first season go Orlando Pirates. Kunabantu sometimes nabakhuluma nathi bakutshele the importance of luck in some of the things that you do. Coach Abdeslam Oadu is one lucky coach. That guy is one lucky coach. But I think when we break down the whole season, your Orlando Pirates, from when the season started, the number of players that they signed, the type of players that they signed. Babegile guma position where the team is lacking. Babegile guma position where the team needs to add on more players. And they did exactly that for Coach Abdeslam Moadu. I mean, they signed Tsepang Muremi, signed Sipon Usihlenduli, signed Usipon Bule, signed Ozonapolis, and signed Yanela Mbutuma, Bayemuva, Libonesiema. I mean, a lot of us were even thinking to ourselves, Magafigil Bonesiema, Orlando Pirates, and look at what he's done right now, right? So, Coach Abdeslam Moadu has had a positive impact on the players, because you look at the offensive Pirates this season versus last season. As much as Orlando Pirates doesn't have a goal poacher, Abana striker that can guarantee you 7-8 goals in 5 matches, Abana striker that can finish a season on double digits where goals are concerned. But look at how they still managed to get the most goals go pay to a Premiership. as much as Abana strike scorer, Maraguna team this season go pay to a Premiership ekorama goal uhlula Orlando Pirates. Yes, when Pirates lost to Mbogazi, a lot of concerns were raised with Isan. Asekushubile manje. Makambo Mbegezeli Mbogazi defense Orlando Pirates will be tested. First 2 games, a combination of Galibone Siema no Nkosinathi Sibisi was tested. A few mistakes here and there, but eventually ngokamba kwesikhathi beze kahle, and then bahlanganisa izinto, and then they started being compact and they protected Usipho Chain. Now, most parts vumelani khona no Coach Abdeslam Moadu, but of course he's the coach, and look at where he is today. He doesn't necessarily need to listen to me. Akadingi nokuthi ayithathe lento le mina engishoyo. I'm just raising into ukuthi vele sabantu abaningi sikhuluma ngayo estradini. Benching Usipho Mbule for me is another mistake that the Orlando Pirates made kule season le. Usipho Mbule, I'm not saying start him, I'm not saying akaqeda ama game, but mfana impact lamchidalwana bana each time he comes onto the field. He allows the midfield ukuthi idlale. He allows Orlando Pirates to dominate play. Even when the team is attacking and things are not going right. When you put on a player efana noSipho Mbule, what he gives you composure in the middle of the park. He gives you stability in that midfield, and he allows you to create, he allows you to play. You understand? I'd like to respond quickly to a comment here at Mulinda Mudau. Sipho Mbule is too slow for Wari football. I totally agree, but Wari football doesn't always have to be transitional play. It doesn't always have to be attack. Because now, if you look at the last 4 games, ama team ayistadishile Orlando Pirates kuthi laba badlala kakhulu ngama flank kwabo. When ama flank kwabo a struggle, they come la badlale kakhulu ngo number 10 wabo. Solution value number 10 valley flank one, that one flank will struggle because the right side flank needs to find number 10 to find number 11, number 11 finds number 9. So by valley lapo. So when you can see ukuthi a team has studied this style of play, what do? You become smart. You beat them at their own game. Uyabatshela ukuthi yazi it's fine because siyabalanda kakhulu labantu laba bafethu and bavalila sakhona ukubalanda asidlaleni. Let's hold on to the ball. Let's play. Let's enjoy lelo bolo lelo. As we enjoy lelo bolo lelo, they lose focus ku number 11. They lose focus ku number 10. Then what happens? Number 11 takes a blind run. Maceda lapho simshange long pass walibambo yaleya, and then number 9 yakora yena he does the job himself, or number 10 gets the job done for us. But I guess that's not Owadu's style of play. But we can't take away what he's done with Orlando Pirates. I remember when Orlando Pirates announced him as a head coach, I'm fan. I mean, because I wanted Rulani Mukwena personally. A lot of us thought Rulani Mukwena would replace Jose Rivero. I mean, I was a journalist. Now sometimes they thought about Kuluma, but no, Rulani was seen leaving our office with Pirates. But we believed anyway. Pity. Orlando Pirates then announces Coach Abdeslam Owadu as their new head coach. Hayibo. Ubani lo usuka kuphi ayike abantu abazi kakhulu bayabuya basicorrect no Marumo Gelensini nesikhale sitala ziyokhala. However, management of Orlando Pirates was so smart, and I want to give credit to the scouting team, Yago Orlando Pirates, the technical team, Yago Orlando Pirates, the technical director, your Orlando Pirates, and everyone who plays a role in ensuring Ogutama player are right. They learned last season when they fell short to Mamelodi Sundowns, Nangaleskati Lesana Bapuma, semi-final CAF Champions League. But the only way we can challenge Mamelodi Sundowns is that we need to beef up squad set. We can get a good coach, but what good is a coach if a coach agana is squad depth for him to compete? They went and signed brilliant players. Now these players got to Orlando Pirates and they played their hearts out. So credit can't just go to Abdeslam Owadu. Credit has to go to Ozonapolis. Him arriving Orlando Pirates changed attack Orlando Pirates. This guy reads the game better than most players that we have in the Betway Premiership. So Ozonapolis has also had a positive impact with Orlando Pirates. Tsepang Muremi, who started the season on a low, being booed by supporters. We didn't believe in Tsepang Muremi, but he raised his hand. Akavumelanga the noise. Yama supporter kutingene kuye wapakamisa. Started in MTN 8, coming on as a sub, scoring a brace. Calling knockout, he's scoring. If akakoranga ukona kwi goal contribution, if he's not the last pass etholelo umuntu lo okorayo. So credit has to go to Tsepang Muremi. You look at someone like Ulibone Siema taking that position. Bafethu ute usesani makalimala, a lot of us were panicking. Mbogazi came sharp. Mbogazi uyadlala. Sbisi got injured for a bit. There was no one to play. No Mbogazi. Unda ulimele. This is before they released Unda. Sesani ulimele. Chapelo Oki ulimele. Almost all the center backs Orlando Pirates is limele. And then Ulibone Siema to raise his hand. And then Ulibone Siema na he played wadlala kahle. And then izinto zaqala zajela zahlangana lapha ku Orlando Pirates. But like I said, the only thing throughout the season that I didn't agree with Coach Owadu, I wanna lakona mina na speak isenega kulu this season. I did a lot of videos attacking him for this. I did a lot of videos questioning him for this. I did a lot of videos also trying to show abalande libebola why for me these players are important for Orlando Pirates and the role that they play. I understand there's a stat yes, Chabatani, thanks for correcting me, Koketo. There to go and sign Chabatani, who I believe will get game time, because I don't think Ulibone Siema is going to last to Pirates. Lomfano zohamba overseas. So, going back to my point, Gunama player like Orlando Pirates, there's a stat that says that Orlando Pirates go to a Premiership, they're number 1. Wogwina Amapolo back in the final third. So as soon as lose Polo, Orlando Pirates wins it back in that final third. So Maguti Shai 1-2, the Pirates are lose Polo, they win it back in that final third. But number 1 is that Agna team Orlando Pirates lendole, which means number 1, Evidence Mahupa is defending from the front. Make sure we win the ball back. Mangabe Stragila wins it back, feeds it back to his midfield, and then he attack Yakala, the same as Uyane Lambutuma, which is a good stat, right? Imnandi Leo stat le Orlando Pirates a push. But the only time I disagreed Coach Owadu ngendlela enkulu is releasing uTsegofatso Mabasa. If we had a striker like Utsigofatso Mabasa or any other striker, Ogoguti, in 5 games, Magahlulekile 3 goals shy. In 10 games, Magahlulekile 7 goals. By now, loyo muntu loyo seka kuma double digits. Oyazi ukuthi no lo muntu lo nomnandi. Imagine if Orlando Pirates had a striker bekora magulu. Kubi Pirates irepenini le season. Kubi Pirates ivalenini le league. Kubi Pirates ikdala yayithatha le league, but we're still taking it nonetheless. So mina lapho I disagreed ngokuthi silone out uTsegofatso Mabasa. I felt like uTsegofatso Mabasa still had a lot to offer for Orlando Pirates. I feel like Orlando Pirates needed uTsegofatso Mabasa. There were games where bekushubile. La besibona khona ukuthi abafethi la bekufuna uTsegofatso Mabasa where bekazotabalaza enze plan, but he was nowhere to be found because bamlonile. There are games that needed uSipho more than uTalente Mbatha, more than Makehleni Makaula. There are certain games that needed Ukabelo Dlamini more than Udion, more than Umasindi Nemtajela. So as a coach, it's important as a coach to understand when do I need to play certain players, how do I play certain players, where do I need to play certain players. Nyavuma, Siwini League. It's beautiful to see that Orlando Pirates has finally won the league. But going into next season, Coach Abdeslam Owadu, especially for a CAF Champions League, now this is where you need to beef up the squad. This this is where you win and a technical team yakho need to make the right tactical decisions. You can't tell me uzohamba uyodlala Africa and then depend kule stats ukuthi Orlando Pirates is the number 1 team ku Betway Premiership of winning ibhola ku final third. Yeah, bayalwina ku Betway Premiership. Africa sifuna ukuyina ibhola ku final third. We want goals. And when you go to play against these African countries, labantu laba ba strong, they are much physical ukudlula ama player wethu. So meaning eyanele mbuthu Matsakhufo and Evidence Makhupa bazo struggle ukwawina la mabholo lawo sijwayele ukuthi bayawina because uyolwina kanjani nomuntu oqinile bomphusha awelele. So what Orlando Pirates then needs is a goal poacher for ICAF. This thing of always transition. Some teams are smart, just like what Kevin Hunt tried doing. A bit udliwe. Amanye ama team bazothi okay sharp. Laba beza kakhulu Asmeni mabeze mabaloke beza we win the balls sibashanga ama dead ball. Richard Spade did the exact same thing kwaba 2-2 score. Suelele did the exact same thing akhulekani so basharphes kwama dead ball sabashanga ama dead ball. Sekhukhune United did the same thing at the start of the season. Yabo? So when we look back at the season that Coach Abdeslam Mowadu has had at Orlando Pirates, he's had a very successful season with a lot of mistakes. There's a lot of room for improvement. So coach, I do hope Uguti leading to this transfer window, the transfer market, you will go and sign the right players and you won't make the same mistake of loaning out players who can play a big role at winning with Orlando Pirates. Bafethu mina ngwarid ngosipho Mbuli. I'm worried Nosipho Mbuli. Lento yakhe kungatholi game time angihlali kahle man. Maybe it's because personally he's one of my favorite players. I believe kule bhola lela lidlalayo doesn't suit style saka Owadu because Mbuli umuntu who likes enjoying the ball and then siyafida. Siyafida instead Owadu ufuna asfeed. Why? If Usipho Mbuli doesn't renew his contract with Orlando Pirates, my best advice to him, a place where he will shine, a place where he will be embraced, a place where he will be given enough game time, a place where a flamboyant style of play will be appreciated. Kaizer Chiefs. Sipho Mbuli should consider a move to Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs yamfanela. Kaizer Chiefs is one team that look at how they embrace Mfundo Vilakazi. They don't even care about the scoreline. If Mfundo Vilakazi angena akibeli polo kancane, the supporters are happy and they believe in entertainment. That's how they've always played from Aboskarango Bese, Abotsikitsiki, Mthokozi Siende. There was always that player Lonyakazisayo in the middle of the park and then a keeper mapas. Rinelo Tsulunyani was a general but Naibekatan will kibela from here and there ayidlale ngikhumbula sibhekelele iSoweto derby in studio noSfiso Mini athi wabona in a game of that magnitude what you need mele udlalise lama player lawa athanda attention, mele udlalise lama player lawa athanda crowd because it's those players that intimidate the opposition and make it difficult for opposition. Was the agreement between Yana no Opa Manyisa was that when the game starts, if Pirates yesha kick off, Opa ngiphi ball Sfiso Mnyana ligibele kancane liphi Opa ligibele kancane crowd yavuka. Orlando Pirates supporters start going crazy, bayadlala and then they start winning the games. Thembi Nkosi Lodge is another guy who does that. When Orlando Pirates beats Kaizer Chiefs 3-0, urile mfuke nguyenzile uthe makathola ibhola wabona lo mfana Ethan Cheese that what Vala, welcome to the Betway Premiership baba bamshanga show me your number washaya pass Orlando Pirates one. So you always need a player that knows how to break the ice, a player okuwukuthi makushubile like mabasihlasela masibona ngathi azidlala uzolithatha control. So Sipho Mbuli is that kind of player. So if Orlando Pirates has no plans for Sipho Mbuli, I think mele ahambe aye ku Kaizer Chiefs. He's one player that deserves to play for a big team. He's one player for me. It wouldn't make sense seeing Sipho Mbuli play for a small team unless bathi bamlonile because of nani. However, if he doesn't go to Kaizer Chiefs or Orlando Pirates doesn't release him, Coach Abdeslam Mowadu, I still think there's a place for Sipho Mbuli in that midfield. I still think Sipho Mbuli has a lot to offer you Orlando Pirates. I still think Sipho Mbuli has a lot to offer Ibafana Bafana. I still think Sipho Mbuli has a lot to achieve in his football career. He has to be one of the best midfields South Africa has ever produced. Uyambona bafethu, from the way Altrep angakona, the way he never panics. You never see Sipho Mbuli under pressure. But because manje amanye ama-coach believe in transitional play, then Sipho Mbuli kushuthi angeke azadlale kahle. Then another player that I want to talk about under his spell saka Coach Abdeslam Mowadu, Ukabelo Dlamini. He wasn't given a fair chance, Ukabelo Dlamini, this season. He wasn't given enough game time, Ukabelo Dlamini, this season. Coach Abdeslam Mowadu didn't give him a chance to as prove and show him as a coach what he's capable of. Yes, some players were tested Jimini, but testing a player at Jimini is not enough. Melum kai game time adlale na kwamanye ama-game. For me, it was a bit unfair to see Abo Masindi Nemtajela getting more game time than Ukabelo Dlamini Abamtole Lapaya. It was a bit unfair for me to see about Daniel Msendami, about Dion Kamba, Zodala Lapakolanda Pirates, Kuguti, Ulenduzuko, Ukabelo Dlamini, and he hasn't been given enough game time. Another player, if we are Orlando Pirates, which is very likely, Ukabelo Dlamini, I hope he doesn't go to a small team. He still has a lot to offer. We still have to see more of Ukabelo Dlamini. It would be nice also for a team like Kaizer Chiefs to take Ukabelo Dlamini. He's the number 10 who could be the solution to a final third year Chiefs. Ukabelo Dlamini. Ukabelo Dlamini unsembunge pass, unsembunge set piece. Ukabelo Dlamini knows how to read the game. Ukabelo Dlamini is good on the ball. Ukabelo Dlamini is good off the ball. You understand? And it's really sad to see indlela izinto eziphele ngayo for yena Orlando Pirates because he's one of the longest serving players Orlando Pirates. And then another player this season has been very unfair to him Orlando Pirates. Usimpiwe Silepe. It's really sad ukuthi Simpiwe Silepe the last time simbona ilesikhathi Orlando Pirates idlala calling all stars and ama key player bewahambile on camp nebafana bafana lo mfana lona uSilepe came towards the end of the season last season under Jose Rivero and he proved to amabhakania what he's capable of. He was supposed to be included naye kwi-mix yabana. The importance of your depth is you have players owazi ukuthi doesn't if I'm going to play Nedbank Cup because I'm more focused on the league it's ingidlalise laba manje udlala iCAF it's ingidlalise laba. So I feel like Coach Abdeslam Mwadu next season needs to give Simpiwe Silepe enough game time. Give Simpiwe Silepe tuba, even if you're playing him as a substitute like you do sometimes with Cameron Denson. Let's be fair. Na imupi tuba angena sivezela mfana uyalazi ibhola. Simpiwe Silepe knows how to play football. Another exciting player, I remember at the start of the season, this guy was one of my favorite players. Unfortunately, waba injured. Sihle Ndule, what a general. What a general. Bekayenza everything right lapha Orlando Pirates. And again, credit to whoever umbonile bahamba bayomlanda bamsthatha. Players mina that I would like to suggest for Orlando Pirates leading into the new season. Bafethu. Ngicela Orlando Pirates isayine uNdlovu. Lo ku Golden Arrows. La mfana loyana ziningi izinto angazenzela Orlando Pirates. La mfana loyana kuningi izinto angasibonisa zona lapha Orlando Pirates. Can we go fetch uGumede lapha khona ku Richards Bay even if you can swap him with Mbuthuma abuyele ekhaya. Akeze uGumede lapha Orlando Pirates. Let's give him a shot. Simbone ukuthi na capable of in nokuthi angayenzani. And because there's a very high chance ukuthi we might be losing Mfukeng at the end of this season, we might be losing Napolis. Another one that I feel like Orlando Pirates could be losing ilo mfana lo Olibone Siema. Sebang Murem is another one. Angazi. Labafana laba bahamba baya World Cup and they do well. I don't think bazobuya Orlando Pirates. And if we are being fair, bafethu Mfukeng sekadlalile kubhakabhaka. Udlalile like he's done it all for Orlando Pirates. Skhalile asikaze sambona a shoot outside the box akori igoli elihle ukorile. Ukorile set piece, ukorile ngeheader, ucreateile. Khona manje upushile like he's going to contend for 4 awards this season. If Abamropi Pof, 4 awards this season. That's Players Player of the Season, Midfield of the Season, and also Goal of the Season. Foot. Le goal alishayila against Amazulu lapho ndaba ambekela lona amacetha lapho sharp baya washa into enzima into eserious.